In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download VLC app. If you're looking for a safe, straightforward way to get VLC on your Windows device, using the Microsoft Store is the easiest path. VLC is a free, trusted media player that handles almost any audio or video format you throw at it, and downloading it from the store ensures you're getting the official version with automatic updates. First, open the Microsoft Store. You can do this by selecting the Microsoft Store icon on your taskbar, or by opening your Start menu and searching for Microsoft Store. Once it's open, give it a moment to fully load so the search features and recommendations are ready. Next, click the search bar at the top of the store window. It usually sits along the header area and may show a magnifying glass icon. Clicking it activates the field so you're ready to enter your query. Now, type VLC into the search bar. You don't need to worry about capitalization. Just enter the 3 letters. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. If you spot VLC Media Player in the suggestions, you can click it right away. Otherwise, press Enter to view all the results. From the search results, select the official VLC Media Player app. Look for the familiar orange and white traffic cone icon and check that it's published by Videolan, the nonprofit organization behind VLC. This helps you avoid lookalike or third-party listings. You can also glance at the ratings and reviews for additional confidence that you're on the right page. Once you're on the app's page, click Get or Install. The exact wording may vary based on whether you've added it to your library before. After you click, the store will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress indicator so you know it's working. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during this part. If you're asked to confirm permissions, that's normal for store apps. If the button says Open instead, that means VLC is already installed on your device. That's all there is to it. By downloading through the Microsoft Store, you get the official VLC app delivered securely with updates handled for you in the background. If anything seems off, like an unfamiliar publisher name, simply back up and double-check before proceeding. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using VLC to play your media smoothly and reliably.